There is a major new high-tech advance in one of the most popular cosmetic procedures in the United States.
A breakthrough new way to melt fat and tighten skin has just been cleared by the FDA.
There's a brand new way to get rid of unwanted fat.
With nearly $12 billion spent on cosmetic procedures in the United States last year, it's no wonder people are buzzing and medical practices are bustling with the news of Sinoshore's revolutionary Smartlipo, the industry's first laser body sculpting system to offer a minimally invasive procedure for the removal of fat.
This is a major breakthrough.
This is the first thing I'm really excited about that's really going to make a significant change in the result.
This is going to be the gold standard.
Women my age, no matter what we do, either exercising or being on a diet, we always have that spot that it's hard to get rid of.
According to the American Society for Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, in 2006, the top surgical cosmetic procedure among both men and women was liposuction. Smartlipo is a new laser body sculpting procedure with significantly less downtime and side effects than traditional liposuction. As a result, this has created a new segment of patients for physicians.
It's something that both patients and the medical community have been longing for quite some time.
Patients can finally obtain the body shape they have wanted without the downtime.
A brand new treatment called Smartlipo.
I saw the fat around my abdomen disappear, and the skin does become dramatically tighter.
What we do with Smartlipo is we make tiny incisions. They're so small, in fact, that we don't even have to suture them.
The procedure is so gentle, makes for a very comfortable recovery, and that's going to bring a lot more people into plastic surgeons' offices or dermatologists' offices.
Before Smartlipo, often patients would not consider liposuction because of the associated pain, significant recovery period, or because in some cases it may leave the skin saggy or loose in appearance.
Hi, Renata. How are you? I think Sinoshore's Smartlipo is a tremendous advantage to me in my practice.
No pain, nothing.
Really?
Yes.
It allows me to attract and treat a number of patients who were previously reticent to undergo liposuction.
And I love the results too.
Oh, good.
I love
Let's
it.
see.
The regular liposuction, the pain, what scared me, and scarring that would occur after the liposuction. When I heard about the Smartlipo, I knew that scarring would be very, very small. Now I wouldn't have to wear the garment for a month or 2 months afterwards, and the pain would be minimal.
Unlike the traditional method of liposuction, which requires that patients are put out under general anesthesia, Smartlipo uses local anesthesia.
A major advantage of Smartlipo is patients can actually be awake during the procedure.
And this is such a soft, gentle technique. It's like playing a violin.
One of the things that I love about this procedure is that it's gentle and precise, and the small size of the equipment that's used to carry the laser beam, which melts or liquefies the fat, is as thin as a strand of uncooked angel hair pasta.
This is the typical aspect of the treated tissue. It's completely yellow, no blood, because this laser coagulates small vessels in the fatty tissue.
It allows us to tighten the skin where we could not really do this at all with traditional liposuction. And in areas where the skin was sort of loose or flabby, traditional liposuction can actually make it worse.
Dr. Pat Wexler of Wexler Dermatology in New York adds, Smartlipo is a great tool for people who traditionally would not be perfect candidates for liposuction. They might have some laxity of the skin under the neck, the abdomen, the inner arms, or possibly the knees. Smartlipo helps address this condition with its tissue contraction capabilities.
I think with Smartlipo, they're worlds ahead of where they were with traditional procedures. The overwhelming comment from patients who have had the procedure is that the recovery is just wonderful.
I didn't expect that I'm not going to have pain at all. I was really active the next day, so I'm really happy that I done the Smartlipo. So I would recommend it to anybody.
It's a great opportunity to be able to work something off that I haven't been able to do myself at the gym.
It's just nice that you can go in your closet and put anything on and everything will look good.
It's quick, it's simple.
I'm very happy. Huge difference.
My patients usually are very satisfied with the results because it's outpatient procedure under local anesthesia. There's no discomfort, no pain after the procedure. The benefits are really magnificent.
The Smartlipo laser body sculpting workstation represents a breakthrough technology for the removal of unwanted fat, with considerable benefits to both patients and physicians, and has created a new patient base for the removal of unwanted fat.
Liposuction is still the most popular plastic surgical procedure performed across this country. And I think the Smartlipo laser by Cynosure will only make it more popular.
We've had a huge increase in the number of procedures with Smartlipo. Once people hear about it, they just come in and say, I want Smartlipo, sign me up.
I'm ecstatic.
For more information on how Smartlipo can transform your patients and your practice, contact Cynosure at 1-800-886-2966 or visit us on the web at www.cynosure.com.